Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Celine from E-Clinic TTDI. Today we have a patient here. She would like to have a quick fix of her overall appearance. She also concerned about her wrinkles on the upper face, especially on the forehead and crow's feet area. When we look at her, right, overall proportions is quite appropriate. It's just the lower face slightly shorter. So to make her face look slimmer, we need to elongate the lower face. These are the assessments for Botox. These are the area that mainly we will fill up with the filler to elongate and slightly anterior projection to enhance her lower face features. Well, now you can see her face, right? The proportion in the overall is more proportionate, and you can see she looks sharper and more defined jawline, okay? And then sharper chin. Here's the amazing before and after look. A slight adjustment with injectables treatment has helped the patient achieve her desired appearance.